Welcome to the information session on group coaching with the Pyramid Model Training Series. This session is brought to you through the collaboration of the Practice and Support Services Division and Georgia's Pre-K Division with the Department of Early Care and Learning. We're excited to share information on the continuation of the Pyramid Model Training Series with you all. So as you all know, over the past year, we have worked with you and the teachers in your program within the Pyramid Model Training Series. Between the spring of 2023 and the spring of 2024, 71 pre-Ks and childcare programs participated in the Pyramid Model Training Series. In that, we had about 570 educators that were trained in foundational pyramid model practices, which included those self-paced online modules that you completed and those who attended the virtual PLCs, which are our professional learning communities. So based on the evaluation results of the Child Trend study that you all participated in for the past year, there's been a need to continue to offer the pyramid model training while also providing additional support to educators around social emotional development and challenging behavior. The evaluation revealed that the training series was associated with positive change in knowledge and beliefs about social emotional development and challenging behavior. One of the recommendations of the evaluation was for DECAL to continue to offer this training, but also to expand and extend the methods in which it is offered to increase the likelihood that changes to teaching practices will be sustained for educators. In the study, participants were reportedly eager to apply what they learned and suggested that ongoing program support, such as in-person training and coaching focused on pyramid model practices, be offered to those who wish to continue. So in this training series, educators focused on an overview of foundational pyramid model practices and cultural responsiveness. In our continuation of the pyramid model work, programs will have the opportunity to participate in intermediate level support called group coaching that will focus on targeted social emotional supports, the green tier of the pyramid.
Group coaching is an effective and efficient way to provide coaching to teachers on pyramid model practices in a group context. Group coaching meetings will be facilitated by 2 or more DECAL specialists, and in the group coaching, participating teachers will learn about social emotional teaching practices, make action plans to support using practices in their classroom, record themselves using the practices and share videos in the meetings, and reflect and provide feedback to peers on their use of the practices. The inclusion and behavior support and infant toddler specialists serve as the group facilitators. They will facilitate content knowledge, share guidance, and provide resources to teachers within in-person and virtual sessions. The group coaching sessions will be divided into 7 meetings between September and March. Sessions will occur monthly. 4 of these meetings will be in person, 3 will be virtual. The content of the sessions will focus on Tier 2 pyramid model practices, taking a deeper dive into teaching social emotional skills within the classroom. In-person sessions will be 4 hours, and the virtual sessions will be 1.5 hours. The in-person sessions will be held in 2 separate locations in Metro Atlanta and in South Georgia. Group assignments, exact locations, and dates will be shared in the welcome email you will receive soon. All participants are required to attend all 7 sessions. Teachers will be asked to work on teaching strategies in their classrooms in between the in-person and the virtual meetings. Teachers will use video recording to assist in showing how they've used the teaching practices outside of the sessions. And programs will receive $100 substitute stipend for every teacher that attends each in-person event. Programs can send up to 4 teaching staff for each session.
Here are some of the incentives you will receive for participating in this intermediate track of pyramid model. Materials and supplies that support social emotional development valued at $175. You will earn up to 20 hours of Right from the Start credit. All training participants will receive a stipend of up to $300 for attending the sessions, and programs will receive up to $1,600 in stipends for substitutes. For our evaluation process, programs who choose to participate in group coaching will receive a baseline observation in September and an endpoint observation in April. Our evaluation partner, Child Trends, will use this data to help us measure the impact of the professional development. Administrators of participating staff will also receive a survey to provide feedback on their perspective of their staff's coaching experience. Observations will not be conducted on classrooms that are not participating in group coaching. And the data will not be used for evaluation of the program, but will be used solely for evaluation of professional development provided. The observation tools that we will be using during those observations will be the Teapot, Teaching Pyramid Observation Tool for preschool classrooms, or Tippy Toes, Teaching Pyramid Observation Tool for infant and toddler classrooms. Here are some of our program responsibilities. All participants must attend and participate in all 7 sessions of group coaching, both in person and virtually. They will participate in baseline and endpoint observations. They will make sure to communicate with their session facilitators and participate in feedback and evaluation measures, which can include surveys and focus groups.
As previously mentioned, group coaching requires a high level of commitment. Facilitators and participants will be discussing and reflecting on Tier 2 practices with their peers. We are offering some guidance to assist you with thinking about which teachers you should sign up to participate. So, thinking about who is ready for group coaching. If you have teachers who have completed the Pyramid Model PLC and E-modules, that would be a good place to start. Teachers who are interested in receiving coaching or embrace learning more. Teachers who would like to work on implementing social emotional teaching practices in their classroom, or teachers who are self-motivated. So thinking about who may not be ready, if you have any teachers who you are experiencing performance concerns with, teachers that are struggling with basic health and safety practices, teachers who may have a poor perspective on challenging behavior, or also teachers who have an unwillingness to change practices or learn new things. So if you are interested in participating, you should complete the intent to participate that is linked in the email. Once your intent is received, you will receive a welcome email from us, and it will ask you to complete and return the MOU or Memorandum of Understanding to confirm your program's participation. Once your MOU is reviewed and accepted, you'll receive an email from us at DECAL providing you with a date and link for our virtual welcome meeting. Participating teachers should also attend. A DECAL specialist will contact you to schedule and complete your baseline classroom observations. Remember, only the participating teachers' classrooms will be observed. Once baselines are completed, your staff will be registered for their sessions in Georgia PDS, and you will be contacted by a facilitator via email. So looking at our next steps, again, if you're interested in participating in group coaching, we are inviting you to complete the intent to participate using the link no later than August 15th. Once you complete the intent to participate, be on the lookout for your welcome email with your MOU. It is very important that you sign and return your MOU, and you email it to pssinfo@decal.ga.gov. Once you have expressed your interest and returned your MOU, we will send you the information to attend our virtual welcome meeting, which will be held on August 21st. Remember to also make sure your teachers attend as well. Thank you so much for joining us today for the webinar. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at pssinfo@decal.ga.gov.